Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today we're going to do an unboxing on the Shark BreatheClear Max Air Purifier. So here I've got it out of the box. We're going to take this off, but we want to make sure and read that. We got to turn this over. Now there was a bunch of tape here, but the main thing is you're going to turn it, flip it over. There was some tape here, and you got to look at this dot. Turn that dot to the unlock position. We got to take this filter out and take this plastic off before we can use it. Now it doesn't matter which way you put it in, but it does matter for this. So find that dot again. Start at the unlock position. This will be nice and flush. Now rotate it to the lock and it should click into place. Now we got a lot more tape to remove. Take these side panels off. There's tape here. There's tape here. There's tape here. Really hard to get off. Now the power cord is 6 feet long. It's permanently attached. You can't unplug it. There is a nice handle here. This is going to be where the sensors are. Now it's going to draw air in the bottom and around these sides. So you just pull these off. Now these are the pre-filters. You're going to clean these. You can wash them or just blow them off. That's going to help prevent a lot of the dust and debris, but eventually you will have to replace that filter sometime, but you'll get a notification for filters. That's these filters on either side. Go on the bottom, pinch it in. These have little feet, and there's like magnets up here at the top. The way this thing works, it's going to draw air in from the sides, filter it, and then it comes out the top. I've got it plugged in. Let's hit the power button. So the power button is lit up. We get a hello. So it turns the fan on and it's going to sense your air. That's not a touch screen. So I think you're going to hit this check mark. Yeah. Yeah, it says the check mark is next. Boost speed when motion is detected, proactively responding to potential movement of particles. I'm not sure what that is, but now it says, let's do a quick setup. So press that check button again. Remove wrapping. I already did. Hit confirm. Oh, it wants to know the day of the year. So there's these arrows here. We can pick what day it is with these arrows. So there's arrows and a check mark. Then you're also going to pick the time. Again, use these arrows. Okay, so you're going to walk through and press the check mark to set the time. We want Fahrenheit. Setup is complete. Now press this. All right. Calibrating sensor, 5 minutes. So this is going to take a while. Then we'll know what our air quality is. Okay, we're all ready to clean. So there's the display. There's my current air quality. Now this is a mode button. We can press it. Sleep mode. Once you press the mode button, now you're in the mode. Now you're going to press the up-down arrows. So let's go to sleep mode, press the check button. You can start it now. You can schedule it. Schedule day. I want to enable it. What time? Start time. I'm going to put it 10 p.m. End time. I'm going to put 6 in the morning. So I've got 6 in the morning, hit confirm. Okay, so every day from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., the fan speed will go to low and the lights will dim. So that's a good one. I guess I'm going to go down and make sure I go down to save and hit there. Yeah. Now let's go I can adjust the brightness, the dashboard, pollutant, time, off, back, alerts, mute is off, silence, all sounds. Motion sensor is on by default. If you don't want it to ramp the fan speed up when it senses motion, you can turn that off. Support, factory settings, back. So my air quality went down a little bit. It increased the fan speed. So up here we can see air insights. Again, you're going to start navigating with this. Not much to see here yet. So let's go back. Back. Pollutants, filter status, and back. Filter status, 2 months. That's the pre-filters. That's not the main filter. So that's those side filters that you got to take off and clean on both sides. All right. And then you would reset the filter status. The 6 year. So they say never change, but you do have to change it after 6 years. Back. You can turn those beeps off under alerts. So we've been through this breathe right. Press and hold. So BreatheClear is basically auto. If I can go over here and I can change the fan speed, and that's the fan speed it'll stay. But if I hit the BreatheClear, that's pretty much auto. So it's going to ramp the fan speed up and down as it senses pollutants. And if it senses motion, I think it ramps the fan speed up a little bit. If I press it again, that's just like the main display. Increasing speed to clear your air. And if I press it again, it just gives me, not sure what it gives me there. Temperature, humidity. Oh, kind of a low and max. If you press and hold it, it immediately goes to quiet mode or night mode. So that's pretty much auto mode basically. And then if I hit these, I'm gonna manually adjust the fan speed, and it'll stay at that fan speed. That's pretty loud, no matter what the air quality. But as soon as that's pretty much auto. And then the fan speed color will change, or the display color will change accordingly to poor air quality. It'll be red. So you want to see blue. So if you want to see all the air purifiers that I recommend, check out my website, justadadapproved.com. I'll compare it over here to the Levoit. I do like the Levoit. It has an app you can use and do all these settings that we saw here, but this one does not connect to Wi-Fi. But you are able to do most of the stuff, like you can put it on a schedule to ramp down, you know, for sleep mode. So that is pretty nice. I like the 6-year filter. Now, I did purchase this with my own money. I wasn't paid for this video, but I do use links. So if you purchase this product off of my website or in this video, the product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. They really are playing on that never change, even though you do change it after 6 years. But you got to keep up on those side filters. They're reusable, so you got to, you know, wash them. It does say it gets quite a bit of the pollutants. Been finishing up some reviews on some robot vacuum cleaners. Check out my website, justadadapproved.com, for the best robot vacuum cleaner also.